Healthy International Cooking, and my name is Michelle Sapp. I'm a jack of all trades in the food industry. I've been teaching cooking classes for CCBC for over 5 years. I've had my own catering business in Howard County for over 12 years. I teach Serve Safe, which is a course on preparing food in a healthy manner. I do private cooking lessons. I do group cooking lessons at people's private homes. And the last thing that I do is personal chef work, where I create meals for people with special needs and who have special diets. The class I'm teaching, Healthy International Cooking, we're going to take some typical recipes and we're going to make them more healthy. Each class of the 6 classes will take a different country. For instance, we're going to be doing Ireland, and we're going to be making shepherd's pie. So instead of doing mashed potatoes, we're going to do mashed cauliflower. Instead of ground beef, we're going to use ground turkey, and it's going to be just as delicious. We're also going to be doing Thailand, where we're going to take typical pad thai, and we're going to take out half the noodles, half the carbs, and we're going to replace them with noodles of zucchini, and we're going to be using tofu. Not that chicken isn't a good protein, but a lot of people don't know how to cook with tofu, and it really lends itself well to this particular dish. It is a great platform because you can use a lot of people, not just 9. So I often have more than 9 people in my class. It's very secure. It's very well tested. It's reliable. And I have a lot of repeat students, and I really get to know them, and they've learned how to use Zoom. And now it's just something that they look forward to every week, and that I look forward to every week. Take my class because it will really give you some new recipes that are healthy and also from around the world. It's on Thursdays, starts on August 20th, and it's going to be wonderful. Please sign up as soon as you can.